Hello everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. Introduction on Energy Resources. In this tutorial, we will learn some examples on different energy resources we use today. Many different energy resources can be used to generate electricity. For example, wind, hydroelectricity, geothermal, tidal, solar, water waves, fossil fuels, nuclear fuels, and biofuel energies. Wind energy is the use of wind turbines to generate electricity. A wind turbine is an electric generator found at the top of a narrow tower. The force of the wind drives the turbine blades to turn around, therefore turning the generator. The power generated increases as the wind speed increases. The wind energy is used in France, for example. Hydroelectric energy can be generated when rainwater collected in a reservoir flows downhill. The flowing water drives turbines which turns the electric generators at the bottom of the hill, like in the Philippines. Geothermal energy comes from the energy released by radioactive substances deep within the Earth. The energy is transferred from these radioactive substances, heating the surrounding rocks. So energy is transferred by heating towards the Earth's surface. We can use this energy in volcanic regions like in the US. Tidal energy is the energy obtained from the changing sea levels due to Moon's gravity. A tidal power station traps water from each high tide behind a barrage. The high tide can then be released into the sea through turbines. These turbines drive generators in the barrage. One of the most promising sites for a tidal power station in Britain is the Severn Estuary.